Check out this 1998 Subaru Legacy Sedan. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle comes with a reliable 4-cylinder engine, connected to a smooth shifting automatic transmission. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are AM/FM stereo, aluminum wheels, passenger vanity mirror, sun moonroof, cassette, sun moonroof, rear spoiler, all-wheel drive, and front reading lamps. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.